Hey everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel, Jason Bongo channel. And first of all, I would like to thank you for all my solid subscribers na always nanonood sa aking mga upload. Sa mga taong nanonood, for every upload that I have, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat po. And guys, sa mga hindi ka nakapag-subscribe or if you are not yet a subscriber, I would like to ask your permission, or if it's okay for you, please subscribe my channel or please support my channel, and of course, so that you will be updated for my next Bongo upload. And guys, what we are going to review, as you can see, this is a Hyundai Porter 2 color white. And yung design niya is may counting stickers, may chrome accessories, and of course, mostly ay mga surplus. So, yung mga gulong niya guys ay surplus, pero okay pa siya for how many months of using it. Depende na rin sa gamit ng ating sasakyan. And as of this moment, they are going to have a road test or road testing of this unit before we can release to our customers. Yan guys, say hi to our driver, napakagapong driver na si Raymart. So yung role po niya dito guys is helper of our mechanic. Yan guys, just continue on watching for more processes that we are going to show you. So guys, the process that we have here, after doing the accessories and completing the stickers, so nilalagay namin siya sa rampa to make sure that the under chassis would be carefully painted. Yan, pinupunta nila sa ilalim, pinipinturahan ng itim to make sure na napinturahan lahat. Alright. So, ito yung kumbaga pinaka-last na proseso na ginagawa namin. So, itong unit na ito guys, it's already done. Tapos na recondition ng makina, tapos na rin nag-road test, and ito na yung last before we can release to our customers. Yan guys, yan yung mga headlight. Isang surplus na headlight lang po. So, as you can see guys, so yan si Christian, pinupunturahan na niya ng itim yung rim. Yan. Tapos ang ginagawa naming proseso is pag may mga medyo may mga taya ng rim, ginalihan na muna siya guys. Tapos pag sinaw na ginapinturahan na mo gitong, then after painting black paint, pinipinturahan namin ng silver, as you can see on the last tires. Yan. Alright, so itong design nito guys, simple design lang po. Parang trademark na rin ng aming company, which is the JM Car Trading for white colors. So yan yung spare tire for our tires. Isa sa unahan, isa sa likod. Yung sizes ng ating tires, first is sa unahan is 15, and yung sa likod naman is 12 for Hyundai Porter 2. Okay, so yan, not for hire. And sa mga nagtatanong, although yung gulong natin sa likod is double tires, hindi po siya kasama sa truck ban. Yun yung usually na tinatanong ng mga customers natin. So hindi po siya kasama sa truck ban. The reason why is yung nakalagay sa registro natin is utility vehicle. It's not a truck. And second is yung gross capacity natin, yung gross weight natin. So hindi po pasok doon sa truck. So yun yung mga rason if in case our buyers na umadakpan mo sa customer. So ito yung model niya guys, ginawa siya year model sa Korea, 2006 year model. So itong Hyundai Porter 2 color white. Yan yung ceiling namin, yan yung seat cover namin. Napakakapal and swak na swak sa ating original seat cover po. So brand new po siya. Ikot tayo guys. Right, yan yung sa ilalim. Almost done na po painting black paint. So yan ang yan. So makita niyo nga tulo guys, mo nang tulo sa aircon. Alright. So it's almost done. After all the small retouch, ready for release na. Actually yung buyer natin naghihintay na lang sa office. So shout out sa ating buyer. Yan. Okay. So ganitong setup guys. Ito ay 350,000 and for sa amin, if you're willing to have a down payment, may promo kami or tawag nito advantage sa customer. So pag naka-down ka ng 50% tapos hindi pa na-rehistro yung sakyanan, of course automatic ilalagay namin yung rehistro sa pangalan ng buyer. Alright, so anyway guys, I would like to thank you for always watching my video. Thank you so much. So pag humana ni guys, ang among buhaton, what we are going to do is after painting all the accessories, finalization na lang, and of course paliguan namin to make sure na napakaganda ng ating unit before we can release to customers. So please continue on watching guys. Pupunta kami ngayon sa may car wash machine para mapaliguan yung ating unit. So guys, ito na yung final step na ginagawa namin. So we're done with a painting, retouch sa ilalim, and ito na yon. Pinapaliguan namin si Hyundai Porter 2 double cab before we can release to our customers. Yan yung ginagawa namin, the final step after having road testing. Yan yung ginagawa namin guys. So please continue on watching guys.